Thank you so much.
Tell us something about yourself.
Sir, I'm Akanksha. I have done my 10th grade from DAV Lakhisarai. Then I pursued my graduation from Magad University. I appeared for 68 BPSC, cleared the pre, mains, and now appearing for the interview. My hobbies are poetry and painting.
Okay. And why do you want to become a civil servant?
So when I was a child, I was in 6th or 7th grade, there was a female SP in my home district, and it was very fascinating to see a woman empowered, doing things for people, holding some accountability in society, and people, they respected her. So that was one of the inspirations, and then I want to be the agent of change in Bihar in particular, and that's also one of the motivations behind it.
So, which one is more, your childhood dream or the later motivation part?
So the childhood dream gave me an impetus, and this recent condition, the present status, it pushed me more.
Okay. And given your background,
Yes, sir.
your educational background and some other quality, why do you think that you are a good enough candidate to be selected for Bihar Civil Services?
So, like Indian civil services in general and Bihar in particular, we require, like the services require some honest, hardworking, humble officers. And I think I am one candidate which can have these qualities, and I can do something for the people who are my people, and particular for women.
And what will be the role of your educational qualification and subject choice in this?
So English is the global language today. Like in most of the countries, English is the medium of conversation. It's the global language. And Bihar, for the industrial development, for social development, we have to bear some changes. We have to keep up with this change in trend. So English should be incorporated. It should be not feared. So I think with the help of English literature and language, I can bring some societal, some behavioral change.
And
And literature reflects the society. So with the help of literature, we can inculcate some values, some ethics in societies as well.
okay, can you name some of the dialects or regional languages being spoken in Bihar?
Yes, sir. We have Maithili, we have Angika, Magdi, and Bhojpuri.
And all these languages are included in the constitution?
Uh, so I think Magdi is not included. Bhojpuri and Maithili, they are included.
Sure you are?
Yes, sir.
Bhojpuri has been included?
And Maithili is included, sir, not Bhojpuri. I'm so sorry.
What is deglobalization?
So in the aftermath of Corona, we have seen that countries are now trying to be independent, not being a part of global value chain. They want to not get like in any recent
Global value chain, is it?
the global production chain.
Or supply chain?
Yeah, global production supply chain, sir.
Okay. Yes, carry on.
And the countries, they want to be self-dependent. Like we have Atmanirbhar Bharat. So India should be capable enough to produce all the goods required in any uncertain condition. We shouldn't be too much dependent on global trends.
Then what will happen to the concept of LPG or globalization or free trade?
So, can I take a second to think? Thank you. So we have already reached to that point that complete disintegration is not possible. But some interdependence cannot be, like we cannot rule out being independent in some field. We will be a part of global, world is a global village this time, and we cannot completely disintegrate from that. But some kind of dependence, like interdependence, is required at the same time.
Okay. Can you name some of the Booker Award winners from India?
Arundhati Roy
For which work?
and The God of Small Things.
Okay. Then
And then Anita Desai.
for which work?
Sir, book name I cannot recall right now.
Okay. Now,
Salman Rushdie is also one of the
which kind of writers are eligible for the Booker Award?
fiction writers.
Fiction writers.
I am not sure about it.
Has any writer who has wrote in some other language, not in English, has won Booker from India?
Sir, I do not know. I will look into this matter.
Okay, sir.
How many play Shakespeare has written during his lifetime?
Sir, around 35 plays has been written by
Around.
I do not know the exact number.
What was
sir.
his last play?
Tempest.
Yes. What Othello
Yes, sir.
gave Desdemona as a token of love?
So it was a handkerchief.
A thing of beauty, joy forever. Who has said like this?
Sir, I cannot recall right now.
Confession of lover. Who wrote this?
Sir, I cannot recall.
Paradise Regained.
Paradise Regained. Yes, sir.
Who has written?
Sir, it's Milton. John Milton.
Paradise Lost. Who has written?
John Milton.
What is there in Paradise Lost?
Sir, Paradise Lost tells the story of the lost of paradise when Eve, she ate the forbidden apple, and then we witnessed the fall of human from the paradise, the Garden of Eden.
Beauty is truth. Beauty is a truth, and truth is beauty. Who has written this?
Sir, I cannot recall right now.
Thank you, Jews. Who has written this?
Sir, I cannot recall it.
Uncle Poser hangs a picture. Who has written this?
I do not know.
Who has written 1984?
Can I take a guess, sir?
Yes.
H.G. Wells or George Orwell? I'm sorry if I'm wrong.
Animal Farm?
Animal Farm by George Orwell only.
Any book written by P.G. Wodehouse?
I cannot remember right now, sir.
George P. Shaw? Any book?
George Bernard Shaw.
Yes.
A Pygmalion.
Pygmalion. What is there in Pygmalion?
So in Pygmalion, there is an aristocrat, and he is trying to change a common peasant girl into a lady. So in the manner, he is teaching her the dialect, the language of upper class, and he is very successful in the transformation. But then the girl rejects him when she becomes well versed as a high class lady.
Who told you to Brutus?
That is Julius Caesar.
Who wrote Caesar and Cleopatra?
Shakespeare.
Caesar and Cleopatra.
By Shakespeare, sir. No, he wrote Antony and Cleopatra. I do not know Caesar and Cleopatra.
Who wrote Julius Caesar?
Shakespeare only.
Your painting is your hobby?
Yes, sir.
Whose painting is this? Woman with a watch.
Woman with a watch, I don't know.
Where is Sistine Chapel?
Sistine Chapel is in Vatican City.
Who painted on the roof of Sistine Chapel?
Michelangelo.
Who was Leonardo da Vinci?
Sir, he was an Italian Renaissance painter.
Who was M.F. Hussain? M.F. Hussain.
M.F. Hussain, he's an Indian painter who is like a non-conventional art. Like his.
Why it become controversial?
Sir, because he painted naked pictures of Hindu goddesses.
Where he died? Where he died?
I don't know.
Who was Nandalal Bose?
Nandalal Bose, sir, I don't know.
Okay.
पीएम मातृ वंदना योजना सुना है इसके बारे में कुछ?
Yes, sir, I have.
बताएं इसके बारे में.
Sir, it's like some money is given to women who get their delivery in government hospitals.
और कुछ?
No, sir, that's it.
इसरो द्वारा अभी हाल ही में जो सैटेलाइट लॉन्च किया गया है, कौन सा सैटेलाइट था?
सर सैटेलाइट मुझे नहीं पता अभी, ये मुझे नहीं पता.
ब्रिक्स के बारे में बताएं.
Sir, BRICS was basically an idea of an economist from Goldman Sachs, and it said that these 5 countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, they hold the future of global economy. So that he conceptualized this idea of BRICS and then it came into being in 2008. and now we are seeing the expansion of BRICS.
अभी हाल ही में कितने देशों को शामिल किया गया है ब्रिक्स में?
It's Egypt, Ethiopia, then Saudi Arabia. Other countries are I cannot recall right now.
एक ऐसा कंट्री जिसने ब्रिक्स की सदस्यता लेने से इनकार कर दिया है।
Sir, I don't know.
मधुबनी पेंटिंग के बारे में कुछ बताएं।
Sir, Madhubani painting, in this painting we use the double line method. Like every line is made 2 times, and we use natural colors, like colors which are obtained from hibiscus or haldi. So in this way, it is a totally indigenous. I mean, you can see these paintings on the walls of huts of those people, and even the Madhubani railway station, it is totally decorated by Madhubani painting.
अच्छा, इसमें शादी से संबंधित कुछ पेंटिंग का भी जिक्र किया जाता है, जैसे कोहबर पेंटिंग क्या है?
Sir, I don't know.
अच्छा, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
Yes.
किन के द्वारा लिखी गई?
Subhadra Kumari Chauhan.
ओके, थैंक यू।
Who, according to you, is an empowered woman?
Sir, who is self-dependent enough to take all of her major life decisions by herself.
And can you give us any example of that from Bihar?
From Bihar. My mother, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Your interview is over. When is your actual date?
It's on 10th of January.
10th of January. The basic parameters are good, Anna,
Yes.
but we have to be look into some points
Yes,
in
sir.
the one day that you have left, 1 or 2 days that have
Yes, sir.
left. Okay. एक चीज ध्यान रखिएगा, अगर किसी पैनल मेंबर ने हिंदी में क्वेश्चन किया हो, देन यू शुड आल्सो रिस्पॉन्ड इन हिंदी।
Okay,
Like,
sir.
अभी है ना,
yes, sir.
अगर जो लास्ट वाला सेक्शन था वहाँ पे आपको हिंदी में रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहिए था,
Okay,
बिकॉज
sir.
अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू वर्क इन बिहार।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो इस बात का ध्यान रखेंगे। फिर जब एंट्री करते हैं ना, तो एक प्रॉपर वे में ग्रीट करते हैं,
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry.
गुड इवनिंग,
Yes.
वट एवर इज द टाइम, तो वो मिसिंग था, है ना।
Okay, okay, sir.
जो मोटिवेशन वाला फैक्टर है वो पहले आएगा, और चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम वाला फैक्टर रख भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी रख सकते हैं,
Okay, sir.
है ना, बिकॉज
Yes, sir.
चाइल्डहुड में बहुत सारे ड्रीम्स होते हैं,
Okay, sir.
बट उसकी लॉजिक हमें बड़े होने पे समझ में आती है।
Yes, sir.
समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
तो एक ये, फिर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जहाँ पे आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं है या आपको कुछ फैक्ट्स याद नहीं आ रहे हैं,
हाँ.
वहाँ पे आपने कहा है आई डू नॉट नो, ऐसा नहीं बोल के हम बोलते हैं सॉरी सर, आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकलेक्ट इट राइट नाउ।
Okay, sir.
बस ये बोलने का तरीका डिफरेंट होगा।
Okay, okay, sir.
फिर जब हम लोग बात कर रहे थे द यूज ऑफ इंग्लिश
हाँ.
in Bihar, तो your answer was like English is the only solution for the upliftment of Bihar,
Oh, okay.
है ना?
Yeah.
English is a global language, इस तरह से आप any form of literature including English is a mirror of society.
Yes, sir.
That is why किसी भी तरह का लिटरेचर हम पढ़ें वो सोसाइटी के बेनिफिट में ही जाता है। और अगर आप न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को देखें तो वहाँ पे रीजनल लैंग्वेज को प्रमोट करने का गवर्नमेंट का, तो ये आपका काउंटर हो जाएगा वहाँ पे,
Okay, okay, sir.
है ना। तो ऐसा हम कोई स्टेटमेंट क्यों देंगे जो कि लॉजिकल नहीं लगे,
Yes.
इसलिए मेरा काउंटर क्वेश्चन था सम ऑफ द लोकल लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ बिहार।
Oh, okay, sir.
समझ गए आप?
Yes, sir.
रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज गुड, ऑल द बेस्ट। और कुछ कैजुअल वर्ड्स नहीं बोलेंगे,
Yes,
जैसे
sir.
आई मीन
Yes,
टू
sir.
से,
Yes, sir.
है ना, इस तरह के वर्ड्स हम लोग नहीं बोलते। रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज ओके। और मुझे लगता है आपने जिस तरह से साड़ी पहना है, ये हम लोग फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम पे पहनते हैं। ऑफिस में जो स्ट्रेट होता है वो वाला चलता है, जो जिस तरह से वकील लोग पहनते हैं या जज लोग पहनते हैं, देखा होगा आपने। इस तरह से हम लोग फेस्टिवल्स में पहनते हैं। क्या आप ऐसे ही पहनते हो?
सर मैंने पहली बार पहना है, मुझे आ गया।
ओके, है ना। तो ऑफिशियल वेयरिंग शायद इस तरफ से होती है।
ओके
है
सर,
ना?
ठीक है।
ऑल द बेस्ट। आप देख लेना इस चीज़ को।
ठीक है
ऑल द
सर,
बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।